What's up, awesome peep? Welcome to my channel JNZ Trends Quiz. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Here is the part 2. Discover the world's most rare and beautiful parrots. They need our help to save. Are you ready? Can you identify this endangered rare parrot species? E. Blue-throated macaw. Can you identify this endangered rare parrot species? C. Echo parakeet. Can you identify this endangered rare parrot species? I. Orange-bellied parrot. Can you identify this endangered rare parrot species? Lear's macaw. Can you identify this endangered rare parrot species? C. Red-fronted macaw. They needed you. Can you find the key to set these parrots free from danger? Hope you've found the right key. Can you identify this endangered rare parrot species? E. Blue-throated conure. Can you identify this endangered rare parrot species? I. Marquis-sanking parrot. Can you identify this endangered rare parrot species? A. Coxon's fig parrot. Can you identify this endangered rare parrot species? A. Night parrot. Can you identify this endangered rare parrot species? C. Polyla parrot. Can you identify this endangered rare parrot species? C. Blue-eyed cockatoo. Calling all wildlife warriors, join me in protecting endangered parrot species. Let's spread awareness, advocate for conservation, and ensure a brighter future for these incredible birds. Together, we can make a difference. #Save the parrots. #Conservation Heroes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please support this new channel. Thank you, pieces.